Guys, let me show you what is inside the boot. Come this side. I'm going to show you the cocoyam so that you see how our farm work we used to do here in my village. You will see how everything works here. Just watch out. I will show you everything. You can see this one is bitter yam. I will also show you the cocoyam so that you will see. Yeah. Bring wheelbarrow. This our G-Wagon is helping us a lot, both in farm work and many other things. Always like, comment, and share our videos. Yeah. Thank you all. Yeah. Let's show you the cocoyam right now. You can see it. Yeah. You can see. Correct. Yeah. You can see my parents, they are farmers. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you all for your always support. Keep supporting the young engineer. Yes, bye. Say bye to the camera. Bye. Yes. Bye for coming. Thank you. We don't mind.